Hello children, today we are going to revise chapter 14 mensuration. So I have tried to solve some important questions of brain teasers such as question 6. A metallic pipe is 0.7 centimeter thick. Inner radius of the pipe is 3.5 centimeter and length is 5 decimeter. Find the total surface area. Solution: we have thickness of pipe is 0.7 centimeter. Inner radius denoted by a small r equal to 3.5 centimeter. Outer radius denoted by capital R equal to inner radius plus thickness 0.7 equal to 4.2 centimeter. Length of the pipe denoted by H equal to 5 decimeter. We know 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, so 5 into 10 equal to 50 centimeter. Therefore, inner surface area equal to 2 pi RH equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R 3.5 into 50. 3.5 is divisible by 7 0.5 times, so equal to 22 to the 44 into 50 into 0.5 is equal to 25 equal to 1100 centimeter square. Now outer surface area equal to 2 pi RH equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into outer radius is 4.2 into 50. 4.2 is divisible by 7 0.6 times equal to 44 into 30 equal to 1320 centimeter square. Children, a pipe forms two rings at both end points. So area of two rims equal to 2 into area of a rim is equal to pi into r square minus r square. Here two rims, so we multiply 2 of area of one rim, so equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 square minus 3.5 square equal to 44 by 7 into 4.2 plus 3.5 into 4.2 minus 3.5. This becomes on the formula a square minus b square. We know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, equal to 44 by 7 into 7.7 into 0.7. 7.7 is divisible by 7, 1.1, so equal to 33.88 centimeter square. Now total surface area equal to inner surface area plus outer surface area plus area of two rims. So 1100 plus 1320 plus 33.88 centimeter square equal to 2453.88 centimeter square. This is our answer. Next question 9. Water is pouring into a reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Solution: we have volume of the reservoir equal to 108 meter cube. We know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So we convert meter cube into liter. It becomes 108.30 liter. Now rate of pouring water is equal to 60 liter per minute. So time taken to fill the reservoir equal to volume of reservoir divided by rate of pouring water. 0 to 0 cancel and 1800 minutes. We convert it in hour. We get 1800 divided by 60 hour. 0 to 0 cancel and 36 180 equal to 30 hours. This is our answer. Next question 11. A well is dug 20 meter deep and it has a diameter 7 meter. The earth which is so dug out is spread evenly on a rectangular plot 22 meter long and 14 meter broad. What is the height of platform formed? Solution: the volume of of the earth. Earth means soil, equal to the volume of the whale, equal to pi r square h. Pi means 22/7 into r is 7/2 square into h 20, so equal to 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 20. 7 to 7 cancel and 22 is divisible by 2 11 times and 20 is divisible by 2 10 times, equal to 770 meter cube. Now volume of the rectangular platform equal to volume of the earth. So volume of rectangular platform means length into breadth into height, equal to 770 meter cube. Length of platform is given 22 meter and breadth is 14 meter, and h you have to find. So h is equal to 770 divided by 22 into 14. 770 is divisible by 11 70 times and 22 is divisible by 11 2 times. After that 70 is divisible by 14 5 times, so we get 5/2 meter equal to. Next is first question of horse. In a cylindrical pipe, figure is given. The area of surfaces are given. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. From figure we have this is the surface of circular top. It means pi r square equal to 154 square units, so equal to 22/7 r square is equal to 154. So r square is equal to 154 into 7/22. 22 7 ja 154, so equal to 7 square. So r is equal to 7 unit. Now this is given the curved surface area of cylinder. So 2 pi RH is equal to 880. So 2 into 22/7, r is 7 into h equal to 880. 7 to 7 cancel, so h is equal to 880 divided by 2 into 22. We get 880 is divisible by 22 40 times and 40 is divisible by 2 20 times, so equal to 20 units. So our answer is radius equal to 7 unit and height equal to 20 units. These are our answer.